I got bad nerves to begin with, but obviously it gets worse when I'm dealing with police.
Because I'm trying to explain this warning to you. You're shaking like a leaf on these trees with the wind blowing through it.
Well, my heart's racing. I don't know what else to say.
Illegal in the vehicle?
Nothing illegal, absolutely not.
Nothing?
Absolutely not.
Okay. Would you mind if I took a look inside the vehicle?
Hi everybody, this is Amanda, also known as Pink Camera Magic. I've been doing First Amendment auditing and cop watching since 2014. And in today's video, we're going to watch a traffic stop. And I want to take a look at this, and I want you to watch this as well and let me know what you think about what's going on in this traffic stop. It looks like a man was pulled over by the Altus police for a cracked windshield. The stop lasted about 30 minutes. He started recording maybe about 10 to 12 minutes in. It's paused for a short time for a break here. And, well, let me know what you think.
So, I'm pulled over. For a crack in my windshield. They didn't like my crack too much. I guess my hands are a little shaky, so I'm probably going to get searched or looked into a little further. Cops make me nervous. Doesn't matter if I'm doing something wrong or not, they just make me nervous. Get the jitters. Questioning me about where I live. Why do I have a car that's registered in Duke, Oklahoma, but a Mississippi license, but I own a house here in Altus, but I don't live here in Altus, so what am I doing? Who the hell cares? But they want to look into me a little further because I guess they find me a little suspicious. So we'll see how this goes, but sorry if my phone's a little shaky, but my hand's a little shaky. They got my insurance, they got my license. Come on already, give me a warning for my windshield. Stupid. I was making sure it was still recording. Don't do this too much. Hurry the fuck up, taking their damn time. Making phone calls about me? Really? This is ridiculous. Probably call in City Hall. See if I own the house on Kennedy. Like I said, dude asking me the address. I was like, why do you need the address? It's because we can't verify who you are, rah, rah, rah. Dude, I gave you my license. Yeah, out of state. Bullshit. So I had to give up my address. Where's my Coke? Oh, it's parched. Well, here I am recording. We ain't getting no cop action. I guess I need to pause this shit.
Okay, well, first and foremost, I want to commend this man because recording the police is not an easy thing to do. I know that we watch First Amendment auditing, we watch cop watch videos all the time, and a lot of times these people make it look seamless, but the reality of the situation is that it's very, very nerve-wracking, especially if you're not somebody who deals with the police on a regular basis. It can be very scary. So I definitely commend him. There is an app that's about to come out like any day now that I'm not going to say what it is, only because I'm not a sponsor of it. But if you want to know, let me know. I know most of you probably know what it is, but it's a really good idea to get an app. It's an app that you can actually have a live attorney on when you're dealing with the police, where you push a button and your phone records automatically, and then it puts an attorney on the phone to speak for you. Because a lot of people fumble when they're talking to the police, because the fact of the matter is that anything that you say can and will be used against you, and it's the truth. So cops are actually trained on tactics and how to get you to speak and how to incriminate yourself in things. So all of these questions that the cop's going to ask are like basically they're investigative questioning. So it's going on a fishing expedition, as some people call it. All right, let's keep watching.
Okay, here they come. Now they're coming back.
So Peter,
Yes, sir.
where are you guys staying at whenever you're up here in Oklahoma or over here in
My
Oklahoma?
old boss. My old boss has a house in Duke.
In Duke.
Yeah.
That's why the vehicle tags are registered in
Right.
Duke.
Right. I mean, I could have just as well used this Kennedy address, but I haven't lived there in a few years. And
I'm having a hard time.
I
hearing
haven't
you.
lived in that Kennedy house in a few years, and the house is kind of run down, so I prefer not to even have mail go there. It's kind of a rundown neighborhood, too.
I'm just curious as to why it just doesn't. You know what I mean? It just doesn't add up to me
What doesn't
that
have
you live in Mississippi, you
Right.
have a house in Altus,
Yeah.
and your vehicle's registered in Duke.
I bought the car in Oklahoma.
You bought the car in Oklahoma.
Yeah, Enid.
Okay, well, so that would be, that'd be logical as to why it's registered in Oklahoma, but it just not adding up to me. That's all.
Okay. Well, I mean, I don't really need to. It's America. I'm free to travel anywhere in the country. I don't understand what doesn't add up. I mean,
What
it's not like
doesn't add
I
up?
crossed a border or something. I mean,
No.
what doesn't
No,
add up?
that's not what I'm
I've lived,
saying.
I've lived
Like-
off and on in Altus for 15 years.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah.
Okay. Whenever I pulled your name up, I
Right.
could obviously see
Yeah.
where you've been in Altus throughout.
Okay, because he said he didn't find no history on me here. The other guy.
Right.
So you're saying that you see that I've been
Yeah.
there? Okay.
Because I seen where there was an interaction between you and another officer here in Altus on, what was it, Judy?
Yeah, I got a.
Your
Ticket.
son?
Yeah, there was an incident with my son. I've gotten a ticket here in Altus before.
Hang on. Yes, ma'am. Okay. All right, thanks. All right. So, Peter,
Yes,
this
sir.
here is a warning for the cracked windshield, okay?
Yep.
And this is just so I could show my boss why I talked to you, okay?
Okay.
The reason why I pulled you over. Have you had a lot of bad interactions with law enforcement
No,
in your
but
lifetime?
not bad. Maybe when in my youth, but
In your youth?
yeah, but I'm 43.
Okay. Because you're shaking really, really
Yeah,
bad.
I watch a lot of police videos on YouTube.
Yeah.
all the
well,
time.
you can't watch them.
And
You can't. You
the
gotta take those
interactions
into
are just.
context.
That's why I'm recording.
I understand
interactions.
why you're recording,
Yeah.
but I know that you're recording, okay, but you're shaking so bad. This is uncanny.
Okay.
Why are you shaking so bad?
Oh, I don't know. Could it be that he's in the presence of a police officer who's acting really strange, taking personal phone calls, and has a pompous attitude that also has the ability to take away his freedom and even kill him with impunity?
I got
So,
bad nerves
I
to
don't
begin
know.
with, but
What do you think?
Obviously, it gets worse when I'm dealing with police.
Because I'm trying to explain this warning to you. You're shaking like a leaf on these trees with the wind blowing through it.
Well, my heart's racing. I don't know what else to say.
So, all right, this is your name right here, correct?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. Oh, hold on. They're going to talk to me.
This is disgusting. Like, I'm 100% convinced that these cops out here, they actually enjoy scaring people. You can see he's obviously shaken up. It doesn't, just because somebody's scared doesn't mean that they're hiding something or they're up to no good. And look at his face, guys. Let's go back to his face. He's like, he enjoys the fact that he's got this man intimidated here. And it's quite disturbing, actually, because that's the personality that you get a lot of times in policing.
I hate. Go ahead. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So this here, that's your name, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. This here's a warning for the cracked windshield. Okay. In the state of Oklahoma, if the crack's in the windshield inside the wiper zone, or it goes more than 6 inches across the windshield, it's a safety hazard and the windshield needs replaced. Okay. So, let's see
When I
here.
first got the car, I figured I might get pulled over for it, and then I just got so used to it, I forgot about it.
Right. And that's just something that I like to make sure it gets fixed because I've seen them actually collapse in on people.
Really?
Yeah. So this year, there's no fine, no court date,
Do I need to sign?
nothing like that. Okay.
I need
No,
to
you don't
sign?
have to sign.
Okay.
Like I said, this is just so that way you know that you got pulled over,
Right.
and I can
And
the electronic version.
I've been
so that way I
warned.
can show right. And that you've been warned about your windshield, okay? And the electronic version, so I can show my boss why I pulled you over, what it is we talked about, okay?
Yes,
There's your that bag. Here's your driver's license and your insurance bag. Okay?
My question, do I need to get it taken care of soon then?
Oh,
Since
absolutely.
I've already gotten a warning now,
Yeah.
I'm in the books.
Yeah,
I
absolutely.
could probably
Get it
get pulled
taken care
over
of.
today or tomorrow and get another and actually get a ticket for it.
Right. Yeah, somebody else might see you, pull you over, and give you a ticket, or they might give you a fix-it ticket or something like
Right.
that.
Or show them that I just got this and I'm going to get it done. You know.
Sure,
Okay.
absolutely. So, I'm going to ask you,
Yes, sir.
do you have any guns, knives, drugs, anything illegal in the vehicle?
Nothing illegal, absolutely not.
Nothing?
Absolutely not.
Okay. Would you mind if I took a look inside the vehicle?
I mean, you could see from out there what you can see in here.
Would you mind if I searched the vehicle from bumper to bumper
Yes,
and
I
everything
mind.
inside?
I mind.
Okay.
Because I see how they do in the videos. They tear the car apart. You
Oh,
stand
no,
there for a half hour.
no.
I'm not dealing with that.
I don't tear nothing apart.
Okay.
I really don't.
Well, I'm not
So-
doing anything illegal. I don't have anything illegal. I know for a fact I don't have anything to worry about.
Okay.
But however, I'm not going to sit here for 20, 30 minutes waiting while you tear up my car.
That's not all I was just simply asking for about 5-10 minutes of your time.
Yep. No, sir.
So, all right. Say what?
No, sir.
All right. You have a good day.
You have a good day, too.
All right, I just want to put it out there that, once the ticket is issued, the stop is concluded. So a really good thing to do at this point, after, or before the cop starts asking about searching your vehicle, is, am I being detained or am I free to go? Because once you receive your ticket, the traffic stop is concluded. So everything else is voluntary. So if you don't feel like voluntarily talking to these police officers, a very, very simple and effective thing to do is just ask them, am I being detained or am I free to go? So it's really good to kind of get that into your vocabulary. If you're free to go, leave if you choose to. And if you are not free to go, that means you are being detained still, and there has to be some sort of suspicion that crime is afoot. Something that they can actually articulate that's very specific. So here's the first one. This is my review, and take it for what you will. I'm obviously not an attorney, so this is just my opinion, and is not to be construed as such. But let me know what you think in the comments section. Let me know what you think about this traffic stop, if there's something that I missed. And until next time, guys, take care.